In a very significant development, trial has begun in the sensational honeymoon murder case, which is the murder case of Indore-based businessman Raja Raghuvanshi, where one of the key accused is his own wife Sonam Raghuvanshi. Now, Raja and Sonam actually landed in Meghalaya on May 21st this year for their honeymoon soon after their wedding. But that honeymoon turned into a gruesome murder plot being plotted by Sonam and his uh, lover and her lover Raj Kushwaha. Raj Kushwaha used to work for Sonam's family. In fact, three other accomplices of Raj, Anand, Akash and Vishal, had helped to carry out this murder. In fact, it was on 21st of May that Raja Raghuvanshi along with Sonam landed in Meghalaya. On 23rd of May, he was brutally killed in isolated parking lot of the Wei Soidong Falls in Meghalaya near Sohra, and in fact nobody knew about it since the weather was inclement at that point of time. So therefore initially the information was that a couple from Indore had gone missing. In fact, on 26th of May, the first missing report was lodged, and the next day a search operation was launched, and it was only on June 2nd that the dead body of Raja Raghuvanshi was recovered from a deep gorge. And after that, Meghalaya has formed an SIT, a special investigation team, which did a wonderful professional work in terms of trying to piece together what happened to Raja Raghuvanshi. And by June 8 to 9, Sonam, Raj Kushwaha and the three other were arrested, and the state government also decided that there will be a fast track investigation. So the SIT had submitted its charge sheet, a 790-page charge sheet, where it accused Sonam of being part of the murder, as well as with the three other accomplices, and also Raj being the main plotter. So they were accused there, and the charge sheet was filed against them on October 28. The court framed the charges, and from today the trial has begun. Now this will be a fast track trial, that's what we have been given to understand. Now this incident had shocked the entire country, given the fact that this murder took place within days of the wedding of Raja and Sonam, and it was a highly talked about case. And in fact the proficiency with which the case was solved was something to look at, given the fact that Meghalaya police was questioned at some point of time. And this also led to certain policy change in terms of how tourism will be monitored in Meghalaya. But what is important to note here is that the trial has started, and one would hope that justice is delivered to Raja Raghuvanshi, with the main accused being his own wife Sonam Raghuvanshi. And the honeymoon murder case now takes yet another turn, with this investigation now, with the trials in this investigation starting in a court in Shillong.
Examination for another day. It will be fixed most probably on the 26th.
Only Bipin was examined.
Yes, yes.
What about
This examination is incomplete. It will take more time. The others, they will, as their turn comes, they will come.
So today is the starting of the trial, we can say.
See, the trial commences with the framing of the charge. The charges have been framed. Today, the prosecution evidence has started.
So how many witnesses you are saying?
See, in the charge sheet, there are roughly about 90 witnesses.
90 witnesses. 90.
Yes.
That means it is for a prolonged hearing.
No, no. Some witnesses will take time. Other witnesses are short evidence. Will not take much.
So what will you do with the witnesses in Indore?
Sorry.
Madhya Pradesh.
We will see. The law provides for how to tackle with witnesses who are outstation witnesses. It can be done via media, via VC also. So we'll see what is to be done. We have not taken a call on this. This will take some time.
So
As and when the time comes, we'll take a call.
the people, can we expect a conviction within say?
I cannot tell you anything now. It's too early to say anything. Too early to say. The trial has just begun. Have patience.
It may take 1 year, 2 years.
How can I tell that? It's a trial. It will take its own course.
But you have a fit case for conviction.
The charge sheet is, I must say, it's a watertight charge sheet. Let's see. It all depends.
सर आज उन लोगों को फेस करना था कोर्ट में, किस कारण से नहीं हो पाया?
किसने कहा उनका पेश नहीं किया गया? देखो, आजकल पेश थ्रू वीसीबी होता है, तो पेश भी हो गया उनको। ठीक है, आई थिंक दैट इज। चलिए, थैंक यू।
आज की जो हेयरिंग थी उसमें जो पूछताछ थी मेरी से जो की गई थी उसमें समय खत्म होने के कारण जो है मुझे अभी डेट दी गई है।
कितना तारीख को डेट दिया गया है?
26 तारीख।
तो फिर क्या आप वापस जाएंगे, फिर आएंगे?
हाँ, वापस जाके वापस आऊँगा मैं, क्योंकि समय के कारण जो है पूरी गवाही हो नहीं पाएगी मेरी, इसलिए।
ऐसे क्या हुआ, कुछ बात हुआ, कुछ अपडेट अभी तक का?
नहीं, अभी तक का अपडेट मुझे वैसे बताया नहीं गया कुछ।
ट्रायल शुरू हुआ।
हाँ, ट्रायल में यही जो मेरी जो गवाही थी वो गवाही के लिए जो मतलब बुलाया गया था मुझे, तो पूरी गवाही मेरी हो नहीं पाई इसमें फिलहाल, तो समय के हिसाब से आगे बढ़ा दी गई।
एविडेंस के बारे में
नहीं, अभी नहीं बताया गया कुछ भी।
कितना दिन चलेगा ये?
वो तो कोर्ट के हाथ में दिन चलेगा, वो तो कोर्ट ही डिसाइड करेगा।
25 तारीख को
26 तारीख।
आपको क्या लगता है
26
कि
नवंबर।
आपका ट्रायल जब हुआ तो आपको क्या लगता है कि ट्रायल बेसिस पर आप संतुष्ट हैं?
अभी देखिए, ट्रायल संतुष्ट अभी कुछ बोलता कुछ भी नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरी बात तो पूरी हो नहीं पाई पूरी मेरी, इसलिए।
करीबन कितना घंटा तक चला अभी ट्रायल?
1 से 1.5 घंटा।
क्या सोनम को भी वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के द्वारा पेश किया गया?
नहीं किया गया।
नहीं किया गया।
तो आज उनकी सुनवाई नहीं हुई सोनम?
नहीं हो पाई।
तो उनका नेक्स्ट सुनवाई कब होगा?
पता नहीं।
कौन कौन था कोर्ट में?
कोर्ट में फिलहाल तो मैं अकेले था और कोई नहीं था।
आईओ आया था?
नहीं, वो आईओ में जानते ना, आईओ कौन होता है?
जो ओसी थे वो आए थे, आईओ आए थे थोड़ा सा।
वो मेरे को दिखे नहीं होता।
सर सोनम का जो लॉयर है वो उनका नाम क्या है?
आइडिया नहीं सर, कोई आइडिया नहीं।